So last time, guys, I failed the challenge. What was the challenge about? It was about making a website in an hour. I made a lot of mistakes. But yeah, if I want to have a quick client and it's like, yeah, I'm interested in a website, I need to be able to be like, hey, give me your number, like, or I can like show it immediately, right? Why? Well, people are more inclined to buy if they see it. Like, if he can deliver that fast, right? That would be very important. So we're gonna figure out. We're gonna figure out how to make a website in an hour. It's probably not gonna be in one stream, but maybe in a couple of streams. So yeah, if you make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make a 600 today in 7 years. So alright, let's get started. So one thing I want to figure out, I have Windsurf installed, right? Like this is a pro feature, so it's not like just make a map 1 hour, 1 hour, right? And we open it up. So what I want to do is, this is my first idea. So I'll write it down. My first idea is like, hey, I want to have a reactjs feed with Tailwind CSS. Then I'm gonna pick a website. And okay, so a couple of things. I need the header and navigation to be present at all times. I need a for of all page. I need a legal page. And what I also need, I need like, if I have a navigation, right? If I have a navigation, it needs to go to the pages, right? Now, let's first try one page, right? We're gonna try one page. And after that, we're gonna try multiple pages. You understand? First, the sirens are going off, so give me a second, because that's in front of my door. Okay, I don't see anything in anyone. Okay, no worries. Alright. So yeah, this is the goal. First I want to pick a website. Like I don't necessarily want to use Figma. I want to use like real HTML5 free template. And also like the template, it's gonna be, needs to be versatile, right? I don't know what this is, but landing pages, right? Not too complicated. Free. Loading. Okay, so I want to have something simple, right? Something simple. Oh, this is Bootstrap. I'm not looking for Bootstrap at the moment. Well, does it really matter if it's Bootstrap or not? Not really. I don't know what this is. use in commercial projects. Lifetime free updates. I just wanna, just in case, see the terms and the license. Because it says that it does, but okay, this is the full license. 13th. Oh, okay. So some free themes do require some kind of okay. Then I have to go here. Ooh. This looks really good actually. I like this website. But I just want to see license. Okay, you have two different license. Okay. Okay, so only for the HTML websites. Free and commercial projects allows you to remove a credit link in the footer. Okay, no worries. Great. So this is a website, and last time I used CSS Peeper, and that was not necessarily good, right? So I need to find a way to first get the assets, which I can use CSS Peeper for. So Chrome extension store. Like I can use CSS Peeper for this. Oh, it is installed. Why don't I see it then? Oh, okay, because it's not available. Details, allow in private. Okay. So let me see if it works. Okay, so there's a lot of images, and I want to export in one go. Can I do that? Export all. Alright. So let's assume we have all exports, right? We have all the images. How do their names look? Okay, their names look appropriate. Okay, great. So we have the assets. Let's move this file immediately. And let's make the project, right? So let's make the feed project. So feed, react, feed, latest. Get started. React. I'm not gonna do TypeScript. I don't have time for that bullshit right now. Everyone thinks you always need to use TypeScript. You do not need to do that. Alright, React, JavaScript. Great. Let's do Tailwind as well. Tailwind, feed. Right. So we already have that. We are already in the project. So let me see if that's true. Yes, it is true. I do not want to paste two things. I want to paste one thing. Copy paste. Good. Copy paste this one. Good. Now let's copy this one. This goes into the tailwind CSS. Great. Now we have one more thing left, which is going to the index index CSS. Alright, and basically everything is set. So we can remove this one, and we just say hello world. Okay, this one can go. Alright, and run that. Hello world. Great. Let's remove all the unnecessary stuff. Which are these ones. Good. Hello world. Still in the middle. That's not good. Because, let me see why that is. App CSS. Okay. Oh, we do need to bring this one back, I think. Let me see. No, we do not. Okay. Let's keep the root for now and remove the rest. Alright. So now we have that set up, and we have the website. Why was my connection dropping? Not sure. Okay. So we trying to figure out, right, how this is going to work, right? Single post, okay. So I want to see okay, this is a banner. Okay. So we kind of have a navigation bar here, those kinds of stuff. I just want to see if it's possible to just make this header, right? Like, I just want to see what's happened, because we're trying to figure out, right? We're trying to, right? So this is what we'll call the hero. Let's make a hero section. So let's do that in a new folder called components, and then I'm gonna add hero JSX RFCE. Great. So that's fixed. Now we have a lot of assets, right? So let's go to the assets. I just want to extract two assets, okay? And some of them, what kind of file they are, HTML document. It's really weird, but we'll try. Okay, let's go to source and assets. Okay, so we have a lot of assets now. Let me see. Alright. So we have a lot of them. Okay, so So we definitely need asset 14. So asset 14 dot png is what we need. And did we copy these ones? Yes, these icons. So let's see. I don't know what these are. GitHub status, beautiful documentation. I'm just gonna look through. Okay, so these are SVGs, so I cannot necessarily see them, but I think these are the SVGs of these ones. Let's do Peeper real quick. Okay. Which you cannot read. I don't know what this is, so I'm gonna inspect. And this is an SVG. Okay. Do I have these SVGs though? That I'm curious about. So let's go to the file. Let's see what this is all about. That's an alarm. Give me a second, guys. I'm just gonna rename them. So this is asset 13, and I will call this close. It's SVG. Okay. This is going to take a while. Yes. Okay. I don't see any icon appearing for some of them. That's not good. Okay, so there are many. Let me see. Okay. Okay, close them. Okay, so we have many problems here. Which is, it doesn't recognize the icon here. So let's close this one. And can we save the icon? I see. Copy element. So if I copy the element, I just want to see what happens, right? I'm just gonna close this one, go to app.js and do this. Text primary monitor, class name. Oh yeah. I just want to see what happens because I don't think I have this installed. I think this is some kind of icon that is linked to a specific library. And I think that library is Bootstrap library. Google Fonts. What is this? Isotope. I've never heard of this. Okay. Lightbox. Is this? The Lightbox script. What does it do? Getting started. Ah, okay. Yeah, you can add a lot of stuff for it. Okay. So the problem is probably because of Bootstrap, it has icons, right? So I don't want to save the icons for this project. I'm not gonna do that. Copy the HTML. Let's see what happens. Okay. So, class name. Okay. Okay, so it is showing on the screen. Okay, so we can do something with that, right? Okay. Good. So let's make SVGs for it. Oh, it has Unicode? I just want to see what happens. Is that true? There's no way, right? No. Nice try though. Alright. What are these? Oh, this is like, yeah. Okay. Today is Wednesday. Alright. So what we're gonna do is we can do two ways. We're gonna make an SVG in a component, or we could just make SVGs, and we're gonna do the latter one. So we're gonna save this as an SVG, which is called monitor and all files .svg, and we're gonna go into our 1 hour project. We're gonna go into source assets. Great. That was a monitor. Next one. What was the page about? Notes. Right? Notes. I want to see notes. Note. Alright, let me see if I can find the exact same icon. I don't see it at first glance. Can we check it again? Yeah, notes with an S. Doesn't show up. Okay, don't worry. It has the things on top. I don't see it, so I'm gonna use this one. Alright. New one. This one. Save as. We're gonna save this as notes. Notes. .svg. Alright, the next one is laptop. Laptop. So that's this one. Copy. Save. Laptop.svg. Great. So let's get the colors. Right? So. And I need to get the font as well. But so does it have all colors? Yes, it does. Great. Alright, so export all. Let's see what it does. Give me a second, guys. Colors. Readme. Sketch palette file. ACO file. Markdown file. What is this markdown file? Okay, nothing. Adobe Swatch. Sketch palette. Sketch palette file. Sketch palette file viewer. Okay, I think it's this one. Open a file. Oh, I don't think that's the same. No, it's not the same. Okay, so that's an issue. So if I'm gonna copy them all, let me see. Let me see what happens. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is find what? Copy. Match. Find and replace. What is this one? Replace. Copy. With nothing. Replace all. Good. So I can ask Windsurf, can you add these colors to Tailwind trumpet? Give them names according to the color. Okay. Let me see what it does. So I'm gonna go here. Good. Did exactly as it did. Right? Amazing. Now this color, it didn't do that, but that's okay. So we have the colors. Now we kinda need the work sense. So I'm just gonna ask, could you add the work sense Google font into this project? So if I use the font work sense property argument for Tailwind, it should work. Amazing. Works like a charm. Alright, so we have that done. So now what we're gonna try, we're gonna ask them like, hey, ChatGPT, like, or Claude, can you do this? Right, so I'm gonna add the image. First I'm gonna import the hero. Yeah, that's what I want. Good. So I'm gonna add the image. So I have create this image in hero JSX. The background image is in assets folder. So I think it's assets 14. Let me see. Assets, and then which one is it? Called asset 14.png. For the 3 icons, so where did I put them? Source assets, I think I put them here. The first one is called monitor.svg. The second one notes.svg, and the third one react.svg. No, not react.svg. What do you mean? Laptop.svg. All of them are in the asset folder. Sets folder. So let's see what it comes up with. I'm curious what it will do. Like, can it create this, right? Not bad. Not bad. Okay. It's not exactly how I wanted it. Okay, it seems like okay, so it did way better than the other one, right? So I don't know what the sizes and widths are. So this one. I just want to know the width. Swiper. Where's the image? Oh, it's in a background image. Okay. That's kinda, right? So let's see what the size is and which is. So this is okay. actually have this one. Let me just see what this is all about. Okay, so everything is in a container. So actually, let's do that. So div class name container. And I want everything in the middle. Flex items center. I only want to have items center, right? And also flex call. I think it's item center. Okay. So okay, now I understand why people are using how do you call these? Like these editors, right? Not centered though. Let me just item center, text center. Let's not do text center, by the way. It's none of my business. Alright. Great. Now let's go here and look into stats section, content, services section. Okay. All background. No, I don't want to have it full. Right. And this does not seem to be centered. Why not? Get rid of the container. It's closed though. It's closed. Right? So right? It's very close. So I'm not too dissatisfied. So the content in app.js doesn't seem to be centered across app. Doesn't seem to be centered seem to be in the middle. Could you fix this, please? Great. That's what I wanted. Also, let's remove the CSS stuff with the dark theme and those kind of stuff. Get out. Alright. Okay, so we have something like this. Is it very close though? Let's remove this one. Let me also remove this one. Remove some pages. Okay, so let's go to this page so we can compare. Localhost. Okay, so this one seems to be outside. So let's do that. I guess it's not perfect, but it's I'm pretty satisfied. Okay, so this one, 2 divs. If you miss this one, do you miss something? Yes, you do. What do you miss? 2 divs, 1 div. It shouldn't be a big deal. It's a big deal. It's also a big deal. What the hell? Can the services section in hero.jsx have its own component called services JSX. Also import this component. Okay, save as, I don't know, resume. That's how it's called now. Okay. Okay, so let's see if that matches. Let's go here. Great. Works like a charm. Have an issue. Oh, this is the issue. Great, that's working. Alright, so let's go here. Create a new component called resume.jsx. JSX. Create this, and for the colors, they are present in tailwind config. Let's see how it does. Okay. So now we can do this one. Okay, I'm not gonna create that. Okay. Reference. Okay. Let's see how it did. Amazing. Right? Amazing. Alright, next one. Create a new component called reference JSX for the image that you see. It is in the assets folder called asset 15.png. Next one. Like, why do people say it's working perfect, right? Like, there is no issue here. Alright, next one. So, alright. Text. Motivation. Okay, so this is called motivation. Go. Create a new component called motivation JSX and add this in after JSX. Okay, now it's going relatively easy. Alright. So let me do something like that. Okay, so there's an issue here. Let's do the issue here. Okay. Sure. Like it only needs to, there's an issue here. What's the issue? Oh yeah, that's not a huge issue. Let's go to app JSX and then we can motivation. We can put that here. Great. You have a page in seconds. Okay. Great. We will call this work. Right. Work. Sims. Create a new component called work.jsx for the buttons. The colors are present in Tailwind CSS. And Tailwind config in the buttons make the text semi-bold. Semi-bold for the images that are present. For the images that are present. Present in the asset folder between the names asset 1 up to asset some files are JPEG, some files are PNG, but only asset 6 is a PNG file. It looks like the image I have provided you. Okay. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's get to the testimonials. Cool. I kind of made it, okay, it's not bad. On every page, okay, so at least 4 images should be present each page, even if you are using them in multiple sections. But oh, it's called work. Okay, so let's do this one. Alright, testimonials. For the testimonials, create 9 testimonials, where 3 of each has their separate page. For the ones that are not present, you use lorem ipsum text for it to compensate. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Not bad. So now I can add my own, but I'm not gonna necessarily fix it now. Testimonials.jsx. Okay. Great. Next one. Good. Phatt. Create Phatt JSX. On the right, on the left, the image is, let me see, the image is in the asset folder called, let me see, what's called, assets 6.png. Asset 6.png. Okay, so that I haven't seen anyone for the so someone is coming for the leakage. I haven't seen anyone. Okay. On the left On the right is an accordion. Make this accordion. For the colors from for the accordion, they are present in the tailwind config. If not, create. Okay. Let me see how this looks. Testimonials. Well, it's working though. Right. Okay. Great. Let's work on facts. Great. Next one. Okay, so we're not gonna make the block, right? Newsletter, or CTA maybe. No, it's like a form. All right, so create form.jsx for the colors. It is in tailwind config. If it is not present, please create them. Okay, so let's see how that turned out. We can work on the colors, right? We can fix that issue later. Let's see how it looks on the real page if I do this. So if I do this, okay, we can work on that later. Okay, so let's do form. Create Phatt. No, it's not one. Great. Okay, so like I don't have these icons, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna paint them black for now because it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna do, I can also do this. Okay. Black. Solid color. Great. Footer. Let's see how it worked out. Great. And let's go here. Let's go to app.jsx and let's go to modification. I just wanna put the modification. I think here. Okay. Create this footer. Great. Okay, so I have to say, guys, it's not bad. Basically, it's finished. How long did it take? How long did it take me? How can I check how long I'm online? Oh, like an hour. Okay, so this is an hour. So it's possible, right? It's possible. I showed you guys that it's possible. Okay. Let me go to cool. Well, it even has e-commerce with Bootstrap. This is working though. Let me see. So if I add to cart, okay, so it's not necessarily working, but it's a start, right? What is this made of? It was good. Bootstrap. jQuery. Google Phunk. To be honest, guys, it's very good. Oh, I remember this one. Very good. I remember this page. What's it called? jQuery. So I wonder, right? This is like Bootstrap and those kinds of stuff, right? Okay, I'm downloading. I just wanna see what's going on. Okay, CSS image index ATL style CSS. Okay, so again, we made a project in 1 hour. That was okay. We did not make it responsive or anything like that. Right? Okay, so I want to see convert. gonna copy everything here. Let's see if I can convert this one, which is, we call it Kyra, sure. Okay. It extracted to that, right? It did not. Okay. It's still on. Okay, I don't see it though. Fresh. Okay. Good. So I'm gonna open this with Windsurf. Okay, plus the others. Delete. Yes. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Okay, so hello world. And let's show it on the screen. Again. Hello world. Starts it here. Okay, what I wanna do, like so it has a certain index, right? Let me see what's going on. Okay. That opens it. I just want to open with Notepad. Like, can you convert something like that, right? Okay, I see some certain things going on. Okay, I see swiper, jQuery is what I see. So in this instance, it's using Bootstrap, but how is it using Bootstrap? Okay, it's for the so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use Bootstrap then, because we don't care, right? Let's restart that one. Good. Let's install Bootstrap. That specific version as well, right? It didn't do that, but that's okay. It's not a huge deal. So what I want to do is, can I okay, this is gonna take a while. I better delete stuff. Okay, so let's do um, smooth scroll. I don't know what plugins.js means. So let's check it out. What is this? Okay. Okay, this is like jQuery. Okay. And there's modernizer. What is this? Okay. Yeah. Script, smooth scroll. What's this all about? Alright. So let's leave the smooth scroll out for now. Alright. Copy. Um, ooh. Okay. So let's go to notes. Like I'm trying something, right? Okay, so for the assets, copy. Let's go to assets. Okay. Can it include files? Yes, it can like mention something. So I'm gonna do text txt. I'm gonna copy. I have a lot of HTML. I want to convert this into components and show the components in app.jsx. The way you divide them and make components is entirely up to you. I want to mention that if there are animations, do not use them. For the images, they are in the assets folder. Please check that folder first and make adjustments in the linking if the roots don't match. Okay. Um, what do I want to say? We are using Bootstrap. Bootstrap is already installed. For every class, yes, rename them class name, name them class name, because we are using reactjs. For the class attribute attributes, these are bootstrap attributes. Just want to see um, I wish them good luck. Amazing. Billboard. Okay, so let's see what it put on the page. I've been not online. Okay, so compare and run dev. There are a lot of issues as well. See, banner 5 is never used. Okay. It tried though. Um, so let's see. Components. Okay. Bar. Okay. So it has issues. So I still need to provide images probably. So let me try that. If that is a super combo, right? Maybe that is, right? So nav. So for the nav bar. Okay, so for the nav bar, JSX, make it look like this. Make it look like this. Remember, we are using Bootstrap. Bootstrap for the code. Please check text uh, text first. Let's see. Filter resolve. Um, Please style the navbar JSX like this. It seems like the bootstrap bootstrap class name attributes do not respond in reactjs. Please fix that as well. Let me check the documentation for this. Read the docs. Like, can you use reactjs with that is the question, right? JavaScript feed. Okay, so you can use it with feed. Ah, okay. Sure. It can create that. No worries. Oh, it actually did some shit. Okay. Good. Okay, I don't see the name. Okay, so okay. I see what's going on. So let's remove those. Everything in the components folder, let's remove those. And here, instead of using bootstrap and those kinds of stuff, right, they can go, this one can go, this one can go. And I'm just gonna say hello world. Okay. So let's start from the beginning. Um, create a component called nav.jsx. Import it into app.jsx. Okay. Okay. And then we're gonna say, please check text. Um, please check text tsx. Then for then I want the code. Let me see. Oh, that's really weird because let me see. Okay, it does start with this payloader. Okay, so what is this? card. Submit. And this is the navbar. There's a lot of jargon for the navbar. Wow. I want to call everything between um so here we have a nav. So let me check nav. Everything from between line 1 and let me see which line it is. Section new arrival. Okay, use a section. Section. Let's see how it does. I don't think it's gonna do well because it's too many lines. But what I can do instead is like 8. 8. Okay. Ooh. That's not bad. That is not bad, bro. No, not at all. Okay. But it said that like it only analyzed 200 ones. Do I see the icons? Yes. Well, not on the left though. So let's see how that turned out. Okay. Let's see what it does. Okay. Like I'm gonna use a screenshot because that was pretty good. I think this is the meta for me. So this is called hero. Yes, replace that one. create a component called, I should copy that one. Like I'm typing it every time. This is not good. So let's do something like that. And okay, these are so this is a good meta. This seems to be in good meta. It's responsive though. It's not responsive though. It's okay. Okay, bro. That's what we're talking about. Okay, so this has potential, right? This definitely has potential. It even copied the the hover effect. That's funny. Hey, bro, this has so much potential. Oh shit. Oh, I was looking at the the wrong one. But okay, it has so much potential. I was like, wait a minute. Okay, so this is potential. So if I can get the source code, then I can do everything. Then I can just convert it. If I get the right styles and the right pers perspective, then this is definitely possible. So how long would that take me though? That is a bit of the that is the okay. I'm gonna ask it to make it responsive. Make it responsive. Nav JSX collections JSX, and for the nav JSX create a mobile create a hamburger menu, and for okay, I'm just gonna let it run. Just make it responsive. I'm curious. Let's see. Okay, so the navbar is not okay. So it's here, but um, Okay. Um. Oh, it's still doing stuff. So wow, this has so much potential. I'm excited. Okay. Um. So could you slide the nav bar from the left when I open it? So let me. Okay. Want to see what the responsive layout looks like here? Okay. Okay, but it only shows one. Okay, that's interesting. Okay. Okay, I'm curious. Did it work? Oh my god. Okay, potential, right? Potential. Amazing. Okay, very excited about that. Okay, so this has potential. Good. Now for the big money shot. I'm gonna take a break though. Just gonna be very honest with you. Beauty. Okay. 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 So we're gonna have an approach, right? So the approach will be like I will take an image, right? And then I'll take an image and it's like create this image, right? Create this image. It's in the asset folder. What I'm gonna do And then when it create all the styles, like the styles used in this image, create them for tailwind config so I can reuse them. Right? That's something I can do. And I'm gonna ask them to make it responsive, obviously. Right? Okay. So this has a lot of potential. Okay. Great. Now let's, instead of doing that, I want to do it for a cleaning surface, right? So cleaning. Okay, cleaning. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change some things, right? And then let me see. Okay, so this has potential. All right, I'm gonna take a break, guys, and I'm gonna think about it for a second, and then I will be back. Okay, break. Okay, guys, new idea. This is going to be an idea, and I want it to be done in 45 minutes or 50 minutes. Let's do 50 minutes, right? 50 minutes. That's what we have. All right. So we're gonna create that website that I just saw. Where did I see it? This one. I want. Oh, there's like a parallax scroll. Okay. Um, so I'm gonna do this. Like, okay, like paint, and I'm gonna do like this is navbar, right? So navbar, right? Let me just adjust the colors, both of them, and then I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna use the fill again. It did not do the fill, solid color, good. So let's do that. All right. And this image, I'm gonna save it, save as. Um, oh, that is really annoying. Let me see. We already have our first problem, which is the not giving the image. Image is a background. Data homepage, page to root, clearfix. Okay, so let's go to then um, CSS image. Okay, so it's not showing me the image of the page itself. Oh, it's an iframe? Okay. Um, Give me a second, guys. So this one seems to be an iframe. Let me see if I can copy this and paste. Okay, that doesn't paste. Um, I'm gonna type it anyways, just in case. I just want to see what happens. I'm probably not gonna make 50 minutes, but 64000102 dot nice page dot io. Oh my god. Okay, new hack discovered. Thanks. Thank you, God. Right, these are the images, right? This one, yes. Yes! Oh, I'm so happy. Save image as. Okay, save as. Okay, so this was just the web page. Why are you not saving? Okay, good. Header. So this is the header. Let's copy it on desktop. Let's go copy on desktop and paste. Good. And then I want to let's do this soon. Okay, great. And then great. And this is called. I'm just gonna try something, right? Like, guys, don't get too excited. Hero. Yes. Okay. Um. Okay. So this is what's gonna happen. I already have description. Um. The image. Um. Give it an ID called nav. Import. Make it responsive. Um. Make it responsive. Okay. if you are using colors like the image provided, then make custom for them in tailwind config so I can use reuse them. Okay, great. So this is called nav. Okay, great. So let's try that. Get out. So let's go to like that, and let's remove that one, that map. Alright. Um, H1, hello world, great. It has a diff issue because of a closing tag. This one, great. Alright, works like present. So let's go here and let's go to feed. Okay, so there's nothing here, right? So what we're gonna do, um, we're gonna go to nav. Great. No, is this? Okay. Oh, stop, stop. Because I did not provide the image yet. Oh, I did. Continue. Okay, so continue. Continue. Let's see what happens. What I also can do, instead of wasting my time like that, like I just discovered the real website, right? Like it is responsive as well, so I can just show them the website and it's like, hey man, I can create something like that. Would you like something like that, right? So, right, that will be awesome. So instead of creating that, I just like, hey man, I can do something for you, right? Like, all right, this is good. Like, but does it work with the other one? So let's go to template monster and let's go here and let's do live demo of the bloom one, right? And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to inspect page and I'm going to go to application. And is it using a iframe? It is. So, okay, so this is the URL. Does it work? Okay, see. Wow. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And what I can do, I can just make my own link. Like, hey man, I can make a flower shop for you, right? Like I have 3 examples and okay, 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 okay. Okay, then we don't need to create that one. Well, we're gonna do that, but not right now then. Okay, so so to resolve the input, does the file exist? Okay, so let me see what's going on. Okay, what's going on? Okay, this is good. Can I modify files with unsaved? Uh, okay, so there's somewhere a nav bar. Okay, instead of that, so like I'm not necessarily stealing, right? I'm just saying like, hey bro, like I can make something like this. Would you like something like this, right? Okay. There's an issue. What is the issue? Ah, okay. It's no, it's doing it right though. I'm just gonna do accept all. Okay. So this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the same one called superhero. So let's do that. Let's go to View and File Explorer. Great. And this is called um, oh, it's called header. Header to JPEG. Okay, no worries. So let me see if that is also the case here. Like JPG. Great. That's it. Oh my god. Yes. Yes, of course. Yes. Okay. So does it look anything like that? Yeah, it's very close, right? Good, 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 good. The flipping ones. I like that. Okay, guys. It feels so good. Alright, so let's let's save the entire page. Okay, so let's see if that works, right? So um, Control S. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is gonna do home. It's only doing the HTML though. That is amazing. So what's in his HTML that it's working? Just wanna see. Okay. Um. Okay, so every style seems to be. That's amazing. So it's only this one. Let's assume I move this one to, I don't know. Um, let's go to downloads. Yeah. Oh, there are home files. Okay, okay. I was like, that is too much, right? Okay, so that's working. Okay. Okay, so cleaning. I'm just doing something, guys. Just let me cook here. Right? So now I know that the windsurf is working, and this one is working as well. Okay, good. And okay. Um, okay. What's it gonna do? I'm gonna comment out. Okay, good. All right. So that's my prompt, right? So I will create a simple prompt. Simple prompt. Um. All right. Let's think. So we have a map called this, and what I wanna do, I wanna host it on Netlify. So that I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna paste it here, and the stream gonna be on a break for a second because I have to go to the other account. So be right back. Okay. Um, Just realized it was on the other screen. Um, Okay, guys, I checked it out. And yeah, basically what's happening is that some website won't necessarily work, some do. Some have like preventative stuff going on, and some do not. But I'm gonna check once more, and then I'm gonna make a decision. Sorry guys, it took a bit. I had to check a couple of things, but yeah, that's good. It's promising. Give me a second. All right, we figured it out. So what I want to do is create multiple pages called. I just want to check this one out. Let me see. Go here. This and that. I want to go to create the, the blog and a contact folder. Create multiple routes. The first one called blog and the second one called contact. For the routes, I want to have, because then we can work on something, right? Navbar.js present. Also for row, I want to have navbar.js present. Please create this. Localhost 3000. Okay, so there seems to be a confusion here because cons blog, cons contact, not found. Okay, the confusing is that it says localhost 3000. Is it suddenly using TypeScript or something? Let's see what happened. Log, it's contact. Okay, so that worked instantly. There seems to be an issue with the alignment, but that's about it. Okay, so that works fine. Okay, I think we can do a lot with this. Okay, this has much potential. Now, I saved some links and I'm going to go to the client and say like, hey man, um, I can make these kinds of website. Are you interested? So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna walk the dog and do that. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me making 600 over 7 years. And I will see you on to the next one.